This is the unboxing and review of the Portronics most popular Bluetooth speaker SoundDrum 1. You can see here, this is the box pack of the Portronics SoundDrum 1. It is written here 10 watt loud and clear. The highlighted features has been written. Number 1, latest Bluetooth 5.0 TWS function, USB pen drive, hands-free calling, inbuilt FM radio, 2000 mAh battery, Type-C charging and 8 to 10 hours playback time. Other side of the box pack with the specification, the price of the product is written here 2499, but I have got this product only at 1099. This is the Type-C charging cable instead of micro USB cable. This is the user manual. You have to read this user manual if you want to know about this product. This is the warranty card from the Portronics. This is the SoundDrum 1. You can see here. Looks really great, premium. The texture is also good. This is the topmost sound grill. And you can see here, this is the covered portion where you can see the port. This is the micro USB port as well as the USB port for charging and for the pen drive insertion. Here these are the operating buttons: power on, minus, plus and play pause. This is the Portronics branding. You can see here the bottom surface, the down grills actually for the base, and these are the specification of this product. Now press and hold the power button to switch on the product.
Power on. Get ready to port to the future. Bluetooth mode. Your device is ready to pair.
Now for pairing process, you have to enable the Bluetooth in your smartphone and search the SoundDrum 1. You can see here and touch on that. Follow the process, then pair.
You are now connected to your SoundDrum 1.
Press and hold the minus and plus button for decreasing and increasing the volume of the Bluetooth speaker. Short press on the plus and minus button for next and previous track.
स्टार्टअप के लिए फंड्स की जरूरत है।
For better FM reception, this USB cable you have to connect with the charging port. To enter FM mode, just short press on the power button.
FM mode.
For searching available FM channels, you have to press and hold on the play pause button.
जीरो प्रोसेसिंग फी थे आपको सुनने को मिलेगी
और अधिक से
বাংলাদেশের ইতিহাস।
After successful completion of the searching of FM channels, just short press on the plus and minus button for next and previous FM stations.
Electric sedan Tata Tigor EV সাথে with 4-star GNCAP rating, 306 কিলোমিটারের ARAI certified range এবং 8 বছর বা
ডাউনলোড কাস্ট 24 অ্যাপ কাস্ট 24
সাথে Redmi Earbuds 3 Pro হলো আপনার বাজ
डालगुना कॉफी कैबिनेट्स को
मिर्ची सुनने वाले always खुश
98.3
Breathe bigger. Breathe bigger.
Bluetooth mode. Your device is ready to pair. USB flash drive mode.
You can charge this device from power bank with this Type-C port, and it will confirm you by red notification light, and it will glow continuously. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.